Hi, welcome to EROTECH Solutions. This is Nanda. So this application, which is line following robot with Arduino. So there are different units I connected here. So I just constructed mechanism with the DC motors. So I used 4 wheels for this, and this is a base robo mechanism. And this is an Arduino controller unit, and I used DC battery source and driver module, which is L293D, and the 2 infrared sensors which are connected in front of the robot. So this application, so I developed for line following robot, so which I arranged black path as earlier you shown in the video. So whereas this application coming to the connections, the microcontroller unit which is connected with driver module, and anyway driver module which is capacity running with 2 DC motors. So there are 2 output lines of DC motor, and there are 4 inputs required to connect with microcontroller. So along with 4 inputs, 2 enable pins and VCC ground. So I just connected 4 input lines with the Arduino, and VCC ground I connected with this power extension, and 2 enable pins also given to 5 volts. And this driver module output lines I just connected with 2 DC motors. Whereas infrared sensor module connections, VCC, ground and output. So the output of infrared sensor module I connected with microcontroller across pin number 6 and 7, and VCC ground. And so battery connection is very clear, so I took VCC ground line, and I use just for switch control. So once I turn on this, the entire system will turn on. So I'm going to turn on this. So now this is a white path, so your robo is not moving. Once I placed any black, I arrange a black path in front of this, it starts keeping move on. So the output which is already shown in the video. So this is how this application works, and you need to develop source code for this. So based on the logics of infrared sensors, it will turn. Suppose if the left sensor is detected, it takes right turn, and the right sensor is detected, it takes left turn. So once the 2 sensors are detected, then there is no movement in the robot. So if these 2 are not detected, which means there is no reflection in the black path, so then it starts moving on the forward direction. So this is the application. So for more projects, so you can subscribe us. So please subscribe, and thanks for watching. This is the application.